All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I got 3 short video clips to show you. This first one's going to come from Peru, and the person that filmed this said their phone died as they captured this UFO taking off. So let me go ahead and let this play real quick. And there you have it. That's all I have. This person said they saw this light in the background. They pulled their phone out, and this was taken over 10 years ago, and they started filming this object. And as they started filming it, their phone died. Now you can see it kind of go behind, I guess, a telephone wire or something right there. So it'd be kind of hard to fake this in a way. And I did slow this down some so you guys could analyze a little bit better. Now here it is darkened up just a little bit. I didn't want to do too much editing to it because I wanted to kind of keep it in this raw, natural form. I know it's a little bit blurry and distorted, but I wanted to show this to you guys. But look at this. Now, some people were saying this a number of different things. Of course, they're going to say that, but here it is again. I did lighten the background up some. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about this. I thought this was pretty interesting. It's very short. It's not the clearest thing out there, but I wanted to show this to you. And then we're going to go on to our next clip. This one isn't clear either, guys. I'm letting you know right now. And this one was taken in Oregon. So here it is, slowed down. You kind of see some lights there in the background. This could be a number of things. I'm not 100% sure of exactly where, because some people were saying this was a building in the background, there was a searchlight, it was a party, etc., etc. I don't think it was, but wanted to show this to you guys too as well. You see 2 objects, especially that middle one there, and it's just centered there, and there's nothing else to this. There's no more information or anything about this, but I wanted to show this to you guys as well. And this last one, someone was out and they saw these objects. You guys see this there, and people were saying these were satellites. Satellites, from my knowledge, don't fly this fast and are not that brightly lit. But of course, let me know in the comments what you think about this. I've looked in the skies before and I haven't seen satellites fly like this, but some people are speculating, saying that what we're seeing here is satellites. I've never seen 3 or 4 satellites fly in conjunction with one another like we're seeing here in this video. So you guys, let me know what you think about these. I got a lot more coming in the next day or two. As always, I appreciate you watching. It's very short, but I will see you guys in the next day or two.